Good morning out there, YouTube. Welcome back. My name's Greg. This is Greg's Mowers and More. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome. We love to take old pieces of equipment that have been neglected, forgotten about, abandoned, scrapped. See if we can't bring them back to life and give them some purpose again. Kind of like what the Lord Jesus has done for me, and I hope He's doing for you. But anyways, this morning we got this Toro. It was a Facebook Marketplace curb find. Somebody just threw it on the curb for free. And scooped by in the old cockroach van and threw it in the back and brought it home, and here it is. Marketplace has been going nuts. Any type of mower, tiller, anything that I've listed is just flying. People are nuts out there for them right now. So I figured, why not see if we can't get this old girl going? Maybe we can get a few bucks to keep the family with some extra money going on, get some food in our bellies, clothes on our backs, that sort of thing. So we're just gonna dive right in here. I think I'll give you guys a quick flyover. So we got a really old Toro. It's not self-propelled or anything. It does have the chute for the bagger. It's got some nice NASCAR speed tape there.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about? That phrase is trademark, not to use it outside tradition of Ricky Bobby.
So we got controls, stainless steel handle. It's a Tecumseh. Tell that because of the way that it is.
Oh, wow, score! Look at this. This is an aspen. You can tell that it's an aspen tree because of the way it is. Wow.
Nice red primer ball right there. Model number 20588. But anyway, let me get you guys set back up on the tripod and we'll get into this thing. So, like I said, all I've done is throw this thing in the van and take it out of the van and throw it up here. Boy, we got maple seedlings everywhere. So we're just gonna go ahead and check this thing out real quick, see what we got. Well, we got oil. Kind of looks a little over full though. Maybe that's just the jostling around getting it in here. Go ahead and recheck that. Yeah, that's what I thought. She's right on the add line. So we better give her a little bit. Tecumsehs, oh geez, that was a lot. They run good when they run, but if you run low on oil for any amount of time, hardly, they like to sling the rod right out of them. So I won't say that Tecumseh is my favorite engine. Those of you that have been watching the channel for any length of time, you know that I'm more of a fan of the Briggs and Strattons. But to each their own, Everybody's got their own thing. Yeah, we're full now. Okay, good deal. All right, we're moving on to fuel. Well, I guess we ought to see if this thing spins over first. Okay, pulls over. Cool beans. All right. Is there any fuel in it? When you get a mower off the curb, you just never can tell how long it's been sitting. Fuel tank's dry as a bone. Nothing in there. Smells a little varnishy. Seen a lot worse. So, there's that. These are kind of wonky little engines. I mean, the engine's kind of mounted different than normal. Let's wheel this thing around so I can get to the spark plug here. Which is right there. And we yank it out and see what we got there. How you guys doing out there in YouTube land today? Everything going all right? praying that your kids and your family are healthy, praying that you're getting good news, things are going well. All right, we got a indication of some oil burning on the end of that plug right there. She's black and there's some sooty carbon deposits. Yeah, it's oil. Otherwise, I'd say it was running rich. All right, so we're gonna give her a shot of some Freol in that cylinder. Not much, because I don't think it's gonna need it. Just want to be careful here. And I'm just gonna be honest, a little bit of smoke never hurts. You gotta like it when they smoke and make noise. Let's go ahead and roll her around a little bit here. That'll be good. I kind of need to tie that bail back, but I don't know where all my things are. Let me go find one of them to bring you guys back. Let's go ahead and take our champion plug here. Stick it back in our plug wire. And I gotta try to get behind this thing and be able to see if it's got spark or not. Now that I got the bail tied back with a piece of wire that you guys probably can't see. Yep, we got a nice hot blue spark, so that's a good thing. Shove our plug back in. Oh, easy guy. Don't go suiciding off the table. You have so much left to live for. Take my hand and I'll save you. I think that's what Arnold says. One of them movies from the 80s or the 90s. You guys know what we're talking about. Pop the air box off of it. Maybe. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice new air filter. That's unusual. Okay. All right. Well, let's take this stuff off the table and we'll give her a little squirt down the yap there. We'll see what it does. I'm kind of concerned it's got a brand new air filter in it and it was on the curb. Maybe it's gonna rod knock or something. I don't know. I hope not. Let's see. Got a little bit of two-stroke fuel here in this. Just gonna give her a little bit down the old throat hole there. Let's see what that does for it. All right. Here we go. All right. Sounded a little clattery to me. Sound clattery to you guys? Let's go ahead and put a little bit of gas in it and just see what it does. Maybe it'll come out of it, maybe it won't. Don't have much fuel left. I'm gonna have to go to the store today and get some. I run non-ethanol in all my engines. Highly recommend that. Then at the end of the season, when you're done, run them out of fuel. Next year, they ought to fire right up for you. It's got a new primer bulb in it too. All right, here goes round two. I would. Well, I don't think you could ask for much better than that. I guess somebody must have just got a new mower. Threw that one out on the curb. I mean, it's got new fuel lines on it, new primer ball, new spark plug, new air filter. The oil in it looked good. It was just low. The only fault I can find with this mower, and it's not even really a fault, is right here. The chute's brittle and cracked, and they've covered it up with some duct tape, which, I mean, whoever buys this mower is not going to care about that. They're probably just scraping by. You know, I mean, it might bring $30, $40. I don't want to ask the world for it, but it's got nice wheels on it still. The deck's, no cracks in it. Yeah, boy, that definitely was the deal of the day there. So, yeah, cool. Well, anyway, I guess I'll throw that air filter back in. We'll probably bring you guys back after I get her all cleaned up and ready to go. Maybe we'll mow with her a little bit. All right, guys, well, we got her all cleaned up. So let's do the right thing. Try and mow the backyard with it, see how it does. Guys, well, that just about does it for this one. She's going to do the whole job. She hasn't missed a beat so far. Doing a nice job, too. So, there it is. Picked an old Toro up off the curb. I got to set off the crap. Don't know why. Doesn't smoke, doesn't knock, doesn't miss. Didn't even really have to do anything to it for a little oil, a little fuel. When I find a mower like this, and I'm getting ready to sell it, I think of who it might go. A lot of guys out there right now selling a mower 4 or 5 years old, 200, 250 bucks. Come on, guys. A lot of people are hurting right now. A lot of people don't have the means. I'm probably going to sell this mower to somebody for $35 to $40. And that's something not a lot of people will do right now. I don't have anything in it. But my thing is it going to go to a single mom, barely hanging on, trying to feed kids? Is it going to go to a young kid that's trying to mow yards to save up money for his car? What would you just want to do? You want you to pay for it and pass